Hey guys, know what heaven feels like? Being at the Bellami Beauty Bar in West Hollywood, that is. Right here is the before look. Bugatti is the extensions I chose because I like how they will give my hair not only length but volume. They're 22 inches and 220 grams, which makes my hair nice and full looking. Now, Cherish the hairstylist is teaching me to place the extensions in right so that they will stay in all day and all night. Not only are you taught how to put the extensions in at the beauty bar, the stylist then trims the extensions so that it blends with my hair perfectly. I was super impressed by the outcome of these beautiful extensions. They're high quality and very natural looking. They blend perfectly with my hair color, and I would style my hair straight or curly for everyday wear. Cherish styles my hair and boom, I'm ready to take on the day. There you go. This is the after look, and I couldn't be happier with my Bugatti hair extensions. Thank you, Bellami.